Language learning through comprehensible input is subtle and kind of invisible. And if you don't have external measurements of that progress being shown to you on a daily basis, your progress can feel non-existent. As I said, humans, we want external validation. So what Langualytics does is it tries to make your progress as visual as possible to you. It gives you that feeling of, yes, I'm moving forward, and also adds a social element where other people can see the content you're posting, so that you also get that social motivation as well that Duolingo gives you, which I also think is something that traditional learning does a lot better. It can feed into that competitive spirit. If you're a competitive person, you can compare with your friends. Or if you're just somebody who likes support, it can be that supportive beam for you to lean on, seeing other people succeed, helping you succeed. So I think it works for multiple personalities of people. If you like watching numbers go up, you'll like the app, because I built the app, again, to validate you as you go through your language learning process. You can enter time like you'd enter time on a spreadsheet, or you can also put in your resources you've been using by easily just pasting in a URL. And the app will track your comprehension, the difficulty of those resources, and you can see that data as you grow in charts and pie charts and nice graphs and visuals like that. But the best thing about the app is that it takes those resources people are just entering in because they're watching things, and it actually pools those resources so everybody on the platform can see. What that does is create a centralized space for comprehensible input content for every language at your level. The number one question you see on comprehensible input subreddits is always, where can I find content? I think creating a centralized space where that question can easily be answered is super important. And every time somebody enters a resource, just because they're watching the resource onto the platform, it helps out the entire community at large until we have one place where when anybody asks, where can I find resources in X language? Langualytics. They're just all there and they're all rated for you. And I think that's going to be super useful for a lot of language learning communities.